Okay guys, so finished it, and this is quite nice and easy and loose, but it's not working. So I even put this here so that this can come down as far as possible, but it's still not working. I tried different positions for this so that in case I got the timing wrong, but it's still not working. So I've had a really good go at it. It's not working, so yeah, as you can see, I think it's, I can get white. Okay, I put a white card behind it so you can see this a bit more easier. I wouldn't say it was easy to build. I had to compromise a few things, but in theory it should work. So the only thing I can think of is this pin here needs to be more tight, and maybe this thing needs to go on the other side of this. Try it that way. Basically when I turn this needs to go higher. This needs to go a bit more higher like this. So you can see that play there. If I can get that to go higher, maybe it might work. So I'm going to mess about with it. Hopefully I get it going. Okay guys, so basically this engine's not working. I worked very hard on it. I worked over a week on it, to be honest with you. Tried every different things. I tried shortening this. I tried this particular thing here. Let me see. Hang on. Okay, so I tried changing this. I've done this. I haven't tried this one out yet because I thought change that. I tried it like this. I cut it up. Then I printed a new one, the black one somewhere here. And okay, so I tried changing the size of this here, up here. Change the size of this here, didn't work. And I actually made another one like that, it doesn't work. I tried many different ways of making this work here. I marked it, I measured it, and when this turns, it doesn't seem to turn enough, as it were. So the last thing I'm going to try, well, I say last thing, but I know me, I'll just carry on. Next thing I'm going to try is remaking this one, making it slightly bigger so it pushes it a bit more further up like that. And what I'm intending to do now is this one here, let's just take this part. Okay, so basically these are two holes you're supposed to work with, so it goes like this. So I printed another one. So basically the idea is, let me turn it upside down. So the idea is that the bottom hole here should line up at the bottom of this one here, and it should be like that. And then as it goes up, it should be like this, where it comes out of there. And then it goes into here, pushes it down again, and when it goes down here, it should come out somewhere, I don't know where. It comes out the back, I think. Anyway, long and short of it is that this is not pushing up and down enough. I'm putting a new one of these to making it a little bit bigger, so it pushes a bit more further up. Therefore, this might go up higher and lower. I've also changed some of the rods to a bigger size. I had to drill a little bit bigger holes in these to make them fit, so that it's more tighter fit, to see if it works. And the last time I tried is take these links off here, putting the links out of here to let this one be free by itself. See if that makes it easier. But it is quite free. I have put oil in and everything. It doesn't work. So I think it's a lining up of this not working. So I'm making a new one, try again. If it doesn't work, that's it.